What's up? Okay, so I think as you might have guessed, from the title. So today we'll be building a league tournament table like IPL or something like that. So let me just open my stream here so I can see if there's any chat. Okay, no chat yet. All right. So. Okay, so what we are going to build today is basically a tournament league table kind of an app where you can come create a tournament. It will create a table, then you can sort of simulate matches or whatever, and then feed in the results, and based on that you can find out who is the winner in the league. Let's just for the simplicity right now assume that each win gets you 2 points, each draw gets you 1 point, and each loss 0 points. And then let's not have any net run rate or goal difference or whatever, some secondary score, just to make things easier for now. So as always, what I'll do is basically now start a new project. Now Ashish Singh, I want here. Ta-da. Okay. um what is a one-to-one session, Ashish? Okay, so let's just first decide on the name of this. I really don't have anything in mind. If you guys have anything, just please put it in the chat. Otherwise, what I'll just call it is tournament, tourney, table, tourney, turna, tuna, league 2. I don't know. Let's just call it. Uh, I want to call it tournament. Turna Tournap. Why not? So Tournap is the name that we're going with, and I'll be using PostgreSQL as the database. And let's just create our app. So in the meanwhile, as it is running Burnell app and everything, I'll just open the app in Sublime Text. I will need Bootstrap as always. So I'll yarn add Bootstrap jQuery popper.js, and what else? I think I just need Bootstrap. I don't think anything. I don't think I need anything. I will need Hamel Rails. So I'll go here and write Hamel Rails. One of these days, I think I should templatize leak chat. You're too late, man. But good name. cd snap. And I need to install the Hamel Rails as well. Okay, I haven't started my Firefox yet, so I'm so excited to do that. Firefox is on, private window is open, Hamel Rails as always I need to open. And in the meanwhile, okay, yarn is not working because popper is not there. Okay, it's working. So I just need to start the server, the webpack server, and the Rails -b, yeah, at port 4000. So we have an app which is there without the database. So let's just go ahead, create the database as well. In the meanwhile, I wanted to open Hamel Rails because blah blah blah. I want to convert everything. So I'll just do this, and everything is in Hamel now. Good, good, good. Now we're in the flow. We have everything set up. Actually, most of the things set up. Let's create what? Nothing. Let's do more setup right now. So in the application Hamel file, the layout, what I'll do is I have JavaScript pack tag, which basically refers to our webpack, yarn, all those things, and I have a link tag. So I just need to remove the link tag and make it a pack tag so that it works. It also takes the things from here, and I need to import Bootstrap here. So for that, I'll be like require Bootstrap, and I think that should be it. Another thing I want to do is create a style sheets folder and have an application.scss file. And what I'll quickly do is I'll quickly open one of the old apps that I had developed in the previous stream and copy the styling import from there. So this goes here, and in the pack I need to require this. I think I should remember this thing. And I think everything is set up like with Bootstrap and everything, and we have a simple this thing over here. I can add a container, but it will not show up right now because we don't have any controller or something like that. So let's discuss what the schema of the database will be. How long did I waste before reaching this point? 7 minutes. Damn. Need to reduce that. Okay. So the way I'm looking at it is there will be many tournaments. Okay. So each tournament has like a name or something like that. It just has a name. Then we have teams. Teams belong to a tournament. Let's just keep it easy. Let's not make as it belongs to many right now. So each team belongs to a tournament. Then whoever the teams are in the tournament, they will play with each other. So each team will have one match with the other team. Good. One home, one away. Should we do one home? Yeah. All the leagues have one home, one away. So each team will have one home match, one away match. So then there is a match table where there will be a home team and the away team, and the match should belong to actually the tournament. Then the match will have which team won as a field, I guess. Many things, yeah. What else? What else? What else do I need? I think yeah, that's about it for now. Tournament, tournament team match. Nothing else. Nothing else, I guess. I think I will need some aggregation of some sort, but these three things are more than sufficient to figure out who's the winner, who's the loser, and things like that. Okay. Okay. Great. So let's just start now. The first thing that I need to create is a model, actually a scaffold. Scaffold for tournament. Tournament will have a name. It should ideally have rules and things like that, but let's just keep it like that. Keep it just at name, image and all, but I'm not adding some fancy shit right now, so let's just keep it at name. So now this will create a scaffold which I need to then migrate in the database, and If I open tournaments here, should have some. Awesome. Okay, packs.js, but there's no pack for a style sheet. Why? Style sheet pack tag is there in the application JS. We are including this. We have Bootstrap over here. Then what seems to be the problem? What is the problem? Whoa, 3 concurrent viewers. That's a big deal. Okay. I think the problem is that I still have. Nope. Nope. I don't see the problem. I don't see the issue. Um, index.haml within layouts application. I just have one haml file in the layouts application. Is it reading my? It has a container class. So this file is being read, but the style sheet pack tag is not applied. Why is that? Like always, I'm stuck with some random shit. Okay. Why is it not working? Style sheet pack tag not printing, I guess. Okay. Okay, it's saying to import this. Whatever. I am in the right folder. I'm in the right folder. In the right folder. I'm in the right folder. Dude, I got stuck. Hmm. Maybe I should come back to this later. Let me just focus on this thing right now. So we have some sort of functionality right now. I can create a new tournament and call it a name or whatever. Showbits tournament, and it creates a tournament, and you can go back and look at the tournament and things like that. For some reason I can't get it out of my head. I think this thing is not working. Yeah, the name is also fine. Should I use import here as well? Is that the problem? Hmm. Bundling, maybe bundling is the problem. I mean, it could be. This time it will take time. No. Oh, bundling is not working basically. Okay. I have a RAM one here. Spring stop. Why is it not working? Yeah, exactly. This is the problem that I'm having. Notice does not render anything relevant, does render extract CSS in webpacker .yaml extract CSS. I want to say true, and I want to do this. Yeah, it is not extracting any CSS. Why is that? Now it's extracting a CSS. It should work. I'll do the spring stop again. Spring is not running only. ps minus ef grep webpack. Hi so what's up? Kill -9 9386 sudo kill. Yeah. Okay, Rails server is up. Webpack server is up, and it's working now. इतना time waste. I don't have a lot of time now, but anyway, yep, index file. So one thing that I want to do is make this look prettier. So I just you can call it table over here, give it a class table, and it did nothing. Wow. Why did it not do anything? Should have done something. What is up with this thing? How it is. Okay. Shoot. Okay. So edit destroy. Very good. I think that is fine. When I show a table, sorry, show this thing, show a tournament, what I see is this blank thing here. Ideally I should see that tournaments league table. So for now what I'll do is I'll create a new model which will be a tournament team. Okay, now in the tournament team, hi mommy. Now in the tournament team, there needs to be Rails generate. Should add a scaffold here. Let's not. Rails generate model tournament team. The team can have a name. The team belongs to a tournament. So tournament references. What else can the team have? Because it's a tournament team, I can have a team this thing later. So let's just call it a points aggregator. It's an aggregator which we can use just to calculate points and store it here so that we can rank them easily. What else do I need? Nothing. So the three things I need: tournament team name, tournament's reference, and then a point. Um, and I need another model which is basically a tournament match. So Rails generate model tournament match. Tournament match. So the tournament match belongs to three things: home team, away team. Should I add the score right now? Let's just not. So it's the it needs what? It needs a home team references, away. Why one team? Home and away. References, home, away, and then I just add tournament for something and a winner. Winner. Actually, I can have an enum for result. Result can be a string, home win, away win, or a draw. Three things, or a no result, or multiple things. But yeah, great. We have all the things that we need. Um, I haven't run the migration yet, but and I need to add an index on result in tournament. Okay, now I'll just open tournament matches. It belongs to tournament, belongs to tournament team, no, belongs to home team class tournament team. I guess this is correct. I'll have to check, but I think this is correct. Rails associations, I don't know. I think that's the correct thing. Okay, this is how we add reference. That's fine. Yep, class underscore name. This thing is there. What else? I can set a foreign key, which is fine. Okay, so I think we have modeled the database to my liking. Tournament team belongs to, and then we have a tournament has many tournament teams and has many tournament matches. Now I'll do Rails DB spelling mistake. Rails DB migrate. Undefined method reference, because obviously it's a references. Where did I make the mistake? Reference. Still a problem. Addition homes does exist. What I'll do is I'll Rails DB drop Rails DB create. So I'm dropping the database because I made some mistake, and I'm recreating the database. Uh, so the data will be lost, but that's okay. Foreign key लिख देंगे आप. Finally. Okay. So we have a bunch of things now, but we don't have any tournaments. So I'll just go ahead, create a new tournament. What do you want to call it? Showbiz tournament. There's a huge plane going from here. Now we are in the tournament. Here I need to list all the teams based on the points that they have. So right now we don't have any teams. I'll just go into console and create a few teams. Some background music. Yeah, that's the plane. So tournament dot first is my tournament. uh, I want to build a tournament team TT. So TT, there is some sort of thing. Now in TT, I'll just enter the name as IPL commentary. IPL is not. Is there a match right now? TT dot name team one. TT dot save. Then I'll just create another team. TT dot name team 2. TT dot save. Very good. I'll create another team because a league without 3 is just random stuff. TT dot save. So TT points, by default I need to make sure that they are 0. So tournament team should have made it in the migration, but let it be. So tournament team dot where points nil. I have 3. I'll just update all to points 0. Now TT is tournament team dot last TT points 0. Very good. Now in the show we're showing the name. Here we need to show a table with the team name and the points that they have in the correct order. So %t head, %t r, %t h, name. This could be the rank, name, points. We should have like how many games played and things like that, but now we go and create the body, and here at tournament we have a tournament here. We need their tournament teams, and on each we need to do what? On each we need to create a tr with I think we need this each with index, team and index. So here we write index +1, %tr is equal to team dot name, %tr is equal to team dot points. Did it work? It did. But the name and the points are coming here. Oh, because these are tr, these should be td, td, this should be tr. Voila, we have a team and all those things. But one thing is that because the points are 0 right now and it's just random, it's working fine. But let's say I change the points of the team number 3 to 50 for some random. I'm like Albus Dumbledore, I'll just give 50 points. They're still rank 3. They should not be, because we need to order this with points descending. Voila. And this is how it works. It is basic league system we have in place. Whoever wins, whoever loses, we have a point system in place. I mean, we have like the basic structure. Now we need to add functionality. So let's just go ahead and give them 0 points. Let's put them back to 0 points. Very good. One thing that we need to do now, what do we want to do? Whenever we create a tournament and we add teams, we need to add the respective matches as well. One home, one away, one home, one away. So to do that, what we can do is whenever we add the team to a tournament, we add their all home matches and notify the other team to add their away match. That sounds fair. So what that would look like is we go to a tournament team tab. No. So actually the better thing would be if I add a team and it has a tournament. Whenever I add a team, I create the home matches and the away match as well in the same team itself. That sounds better. So after create, generate matches. Okay, it's a private method where we generate okay, yeah, that's fine. So what we'll do is tournament teams dot each. We have a team and we do next if self.id equals team.id. So we don't accidentally generate a match with ourselves. And then we generate 2 matches. The 2 matches that we generate, they will be tournament matches build home away home match. Let's make a home match. No, let's just create it even home match with home being self and away being the team, and same thing with the team being home and away being self. So this way whenever we create a new tournament team, we will create a home match and an away match. Just to make sure that this thing is working, what I need to do is I have this TT, right? So I can just be like tournament, what is the tournament here? So this is the tournament, t dot tournament matches dot build with a home as tournament team dot first and away as basically TT, and this is the TM. So it says there's a problem, valid keys are class name. Okay, so maybe I made some mistake here. Yeah, the mistake is that I've written class instead of class name. So reload. Can't write unknown attribute home underscore ID. I think I need to add the foreign key as well here, and because I made the mistake of not calling it home ID, it need be just home and away. Okay, where is my sublime? Looks like I've made some more mistakes, so I'll just call this home team and away team, and then in the console I have t is equal to tournament dot first, t1 is equal to tournament team dot first, t2 is equal to tournament team dot last, tm is equal to t dot tournament matches dot build home team t1 t2. Okay, that works. Away team t2. tm is all fine with the result being nil, and so here instead of home I have to call it home team, same with away team, and I think this should work. Now one thing that I need to also add is an enum in the what, in the result string. So the result string will be an enum, and the enum will be like not played, will be not played, home win will be home win, away win will be away win, and tie will be tie. Okay, and by default we need to put this as not played. We'll be just calling this like this. Okay, okay. So now we have three teams where we need to generate the matches. So we have T1, T2, T3 teams with the matches that we need to play, I guess. So first of all I'll do is tournament team dot all dot destroy all. First, I'll destroy all the teams so that we don't have any team. Now, I'll just create. Do I have a T? I get a tournament first, and then I create a tournament team. Dot build, I guess. We just need the name and points. So we create with points 0 and name team 1. Team 2, team 3. Looks like there's some fishy business going around. We have 14 matches for some reason. Okay, what happened here? Five four four five four five 5464 64665 5674. Okay. We have 12 unique. How can we have 12 unique? 4 5 6. Let's see how many teams we have. We have 4 teams. So 4 teams means 4C2. 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 2 into 2 because 2 matches. So that's 12. We have 12. We have 12 unique. That is correct. But why did we generate 14 games? I'll delete again. I don't care. I'll just delete the tournament team dot all dot delete all and tournament match as well. So now if I create team 1, it is still adding some matches. Why? There are 5 teams. When I specifically deleted all. क्या चल रहा है? Okay, let it be. What I'll do is I'll just create one form here. Actually, I won't do that. I'll just stick to what I know. Tournament match dot count 8. Wow. Team dot count 0 because there are 0 teams. So I'll just go and remove all the tournaments. I'll close it and start again. Now T is equal to tournament dot first. How is it feeling, guys? I'm wasting your Sunday. Okay, dot create here. So if I create a team, tournament dot tournament teams dot create 0, this should add no matches. It did not add any match. Team 2 added some matches. Should have added what? 2 matches. 1 2. Team 3 will add 2 home 2 away. 4 matches. Team 4, team 5, 6. team 7 and team 8. Now we have 8 teams, and 8 teams basically have 56 matches. So tournament match dot count should be 56, and it is 56, baby. Okay, we have a right number of matches, a right number of points, like that. Good, good, good. Now, how do we provide score for each match? So what we can do over here first is we can just write h3 here, matches, and I can list down all the matches. Home team, away team, result. So these are the matches. We have results also here. Team 1, team 2, result not played. These are the matches. This is the current standing. Now what we need to, there's an ant over here, kill. इतनी खुशी, हाँ यार, it's इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक नहीं हुई. Okay. I'll add 3 buttons over here, and the 3 buttons will specify who won. So the buttons will be home win, away win, tie. Home win, away win, tie, and you can click any of these, and we can have some sort of now because I don't want to add many things, I will just create a new route in the tournament controller itself, and what I'll say is add result. Here we'll get params match ID, params result. Okay. So from match ID, what I will find is I will also need to set the tournament here, but this thing will not work. You know why? I'll have tournament is equal to tournament dot find params tournament ID. I'll go to the routes first, and I'll just create a new route, call it add result. This will be a post request for an add result. Okay, now in the queries I'll have match ID and a result, so I can just do a routes, grab result, अंधेर नगरी चौपट राजा. Path. Now in the path I'll have a match ID, which will be match.id, and I'll have a result. Result will be like home win is home underscore win, home underscore win, and the method I'll have is post, and the class I'll have is btn info. Now instead of home win here, I need an away win, and instead of home win in the last one, I need a tie. Okay, now in the tournaments controller, I'll find the match or the match, because match is a restricted keyword, so I'm not using it. Tournament match dot find, tournament matches dot find. If it finds the match, very good. Then what we'll do is if the match dot update result with params, all fine and good. If it updates very well, then what we have to do is calculate the scores for the both teams involved. Now how do we calculate the scores? It's a simple thing. Calculating score will be very simple. So tmatch dot home team now, home team, wherever in the tournament match dot where home is the home team ID and result is home win, or away is the away team match dot let's just call it home team first. I have a home team, so we'll just call it home team ID. Or away, if they're playing an away match, if they won away match, home team ID again, with the result away win. These are the games that they've won. Then I need to calculate the games that they have tied, and so on and so forth. You can figure it out. Actually, let's do one thing. Let's fill in the data first. I'll just redirect to tournaments URL. No route matches, add result, controller tournaments, ID1. ID1, why did ID1? Okay, got it. Here we need to mention the tournament as well. Yes, we can use this for FIFA 21 tournament as well. We have home, away, home win, away win, or TI. So let's just think that this one home team won. Okay, it took us back there, but you can see home team won. How cool is that? So the next game, let's say away team won. It's taking me back to the wrong URL, but the third game is a tie, then the home team won, then the home team won again, then the away team, then tie, home team, away team, home team, home team, home team, away, away, tie, away, home, away, home, home, tie, right? So we have a bunch of results here. Now, how do we calculate, let's say, one of the team's points? Because as you can see, the points are not changing right now. So how do we do that? One thing that I would have done here is basically I would make, let's say, 3 queries. Okay, I have a team, tournament team dot first. Let's just make it easy. Now in the tournament match where home team, home is the TID and result is home win. I have to figure out the size. The size is 2, and where they are the away team and the result is away win. So the size again is 2. Really? Away is 9. The result is away win. Okay. Can we combine the two? I think. Home t.id result home win. First hash to or where. Okay. This should be tournament match dot here. So this team has won 4. Okay. So let's just assume there is no point for tie right now. So this is what we can use. So whenever we update the result, what we'll do is let's just call home team match as home team. Wherever we have TID, we can have home.id. So home wins is equal to this. Similarly, we need an away thing. Away, away, away. Wherever we have home.id, we can just put away.id. We have team home team wins, home ties. Home ties is a little simple this thing. For home ties, what I want is result to be a tie, actually the same thing, except for the result away win. I just need the result to be tie. Now home dot update with points. The points will be home wins into 2 plus home ties, whatever the amount that comes. And we have to find the away ties as well. So away ties will be like this. Away dot, yep, and update the away ties as well. Great. Now if I put some score here, the point should change. Undefined method ID, did you mean I? Okay, it says the home team. Okay, because it's a home team, not a home team. Team. Yep. And now it's calculating the points and ordering them by that. So as you can see, let's say team 6 has 9 points, team 6 and 5. If I win, if I give away win, team 5 will have 6. If I give home win, the team 6 will have 11, and if I give tie, both of them should have increased by 1. So let me just give 11. Tie basically. Yep. 7 and 1, let's say 1 has won this one. So team 1 now 11 because it was not calculated earlier. I'll just add some for team 3 as well, and I'll add 1 for team 8 also. Where is team 8? There you go. We have a fully fledged uh, system where we're keeping a score. How is that? And I can show how many games that they have played. Percent. I can also show the number of matches that they've played. Percent TD is equal to fiction creation is not that difficult. I've added whenever I add a team, it creates a fixture. I think I'm just running low on time, so I just want to finish it up, and maybe in the next one I'll do that. Now, how many games the team has played? If we want to figure out, what we'll do is we'll tournament match dot where home is team dot id, or away is team or team dot id, and here what we will do now is where we found these things, where not result is not played dot size. I think this should work. Yes, it works. So team 2 has played 11 matches out of their designated 14. Say we have not played away. Teammate, oh, winning. Away, home, away, home, away, home. So as you can see, everyone has played 14 matches. The table is done. The first team is team 6 and team 1, and I made some changes again, and there you have it, a very small league application. Now we can build upon it, we can do multiple things, and I think what I'll do is in the next stream I will take this forward and actually build a full-fledged application around this. I think until then, today was fun, a little frustrating but fun. There are still 4 concurrent viewers. That is one of the most surprising thing that I'm looking at today. I am waiting for 2 minutes. If you want to talk about something, you want to suggest something, कोई आपके लिए यहाँ पे इंतज़ार कर रहा है. Okay. Okay. Um, I guess I'll close the stream now. Thank you so much for joining. I guess next week I will build up on this and add some more functionality so that it becomes something which is not just duct taped. Okay, bye.